Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI. I love spending time in the outdoors, and I especially like camping with this Napier Backroadz SUV tent. SUV tents are really unique because they give you so much more room than a traditional tent. I can access the back of my car without even going outside, and this is great because if I need to access supplies or power, it's right there. The tent is 9 by 9 and it fits up to 5 people. I have it set for 2 people right now and there's tons of room. It's also 7 feet tall, which is great because you can stand up in it. There is a really nice rainfly and it even tells you which way the rainfly is positioned. I live in an area where there's a lot of weather, so it's really nice to know that I have a rainfly that's going to keep me protected from the elements. The mesh windows on this tent are probably my favorite part about it. They are great for ventilation as well as an awesome view. I have a Subaru Forester and the tent fit really snug around my car. It was also really easy to set up. It took us just a few minutes from start to finish. I just love this SUV tent by Napier outdoors. It's well built, it was easy to set up, it's spacious, and it's just great for camping. And that's my point of view.